For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Researchers say that burning coal might have led to the biggest extinction event. Permian Triassic extinction wiped out over 96% of marine and 70% of terrestrial species. For years, the extinction has been attributed to volcanic eruptions in Siberia over 2 million years ago. The volcanic eruption had belched tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. However, scientists have now attributed the extinction to coal burning. Coal burning led to the release of more greenhouse gases that exacerbated the extinction. The research team first identified the outcrops of the volcanic rock along Angara River near Mongolia. The team spent 6 years boating and hiking the region to collect samples. The samples weighed over 450 kilograms. When the samples were analyzed, they revealed small fragments of wood. In some cases, coal was buried within them, which meant that coal was burned during the time of extinction. The study also identified sites with charcoal and sticky organic rich blobs. These blobs were embedded inside the rocks. Researchers have said the results were geologically astounding. It was geologically astounding. Our study shows that the Siberian Traps magmas intruded into the incorporated coal and organic material. That gives us direct evidence that the magmas also combusted large quantities of coal and organic matter during the eruption. The end Permian extinction was cataclysmic. It wiped out nearly all forms of life on Earth. Calculations show that temperature of the sea water was spiked to 40 degrees Celsius during the time. Evidence for the eruption is preserved in the Siberian Traps. Siberian Traps is an area about 30 lakh square miles of volcanic rock in 300-foot high cliffs. It took many million years for the decimated ecosystem to recover after the mass extinction. Researchers say that the end Permian extinction bears major resemblance to today's Holocene extinction. These similarities gives us extra impetus to take action now and also to further understand how the Earth responds to changes like these in the longer term. As the end Permian extinction wiped out most of the species, it was called the Great Dying. All life on Earth today roughly evolved from the species that survived the extinction. The sixth mass extinction is called the Holocene extinction. Scientists have warned that the species wiped out during our time will be permanent.